Hi students, this is Ashok Kumar MCA, Faculty of Computer Science. Dear students, today our topic is History of DBMS. Charles Bassman was the first person to develop the Integrated Data Store (IDS), which was based on networking data model for which he was inaugurated with the Turing Award. It was developed in early 1960s. The basic route was started by Charles Bassman on early 1960. Then after the late 1960s, IBM, International Business Machine Corporation, developed the Integrated Management System, which is the standard database system used till date in many places. Now this IBM database is now using some places. It was developed based on the hierarchical database model. It was developed based on the hierarchical database model. It was during the year 1970s that the relational data model was developed by Edgar Code. In 1960s, IBM developed integrated management system. On 1970s, Edgar Code created relational database model. Many of the database models we use today are relational based. Nowadays, we are using and following the Edgar Code relational database model. It was considered the standardized database model from then. Nowadays, we are using Edgar Code relational data model. The relational model was still in use by many people in the market. Later, during the same decade, 1980s, IBM developed the structured query language, simply known as SQL, as a part of our project. It was declared as a standard language for the queries by ISO and ANSI. The transaction management system for processing transactions was also developed by James Gray, for which he was facilitated the Turing Award. In the decade 1980s, IBM again developed the structured query language. Let's we take the important landmarks from the history of DBMS. On 1960, Charles Bassman designed first DBMS system. On 1970, EF Code introduced IBM's information management system. On 1976, Peter Chan coined and defined the entity relationship model, also known as ER model. On 1980s, relational model becomes a widely accepted database component. On 1980s, relational model becomes a widely accepted database component. On 1985, object-oriented DBMS develops. On 1990, incorporation of object-oriented in relational DBMS. In 1991, Microsoft ships MS Access, a personal DBMS, and that displaces all other personal DBMS products. On 1995, first Internet database applications. 1997, XML, Extensible Markup Language. Full form of XML is Extensible Markup Language. Applied to database processing, many vendors began to integrate XML into DBMS products. This is the brief history of DBMS. At present, we are using relational database management system. Dear students, don't confuse about these type of DBMS systems. In our later topics we will briefly discuss about this relational model, object oriented model, and hierarchical model. These all are explained our next classes. Okay, students.